Everyone wants to be perfect. Everyone wants their flawless skin, the hourglass body, a perfect life. Then there is me. I'm trying to be perfect, but all that I face are the imperfections. First, the acne feels infinite. Second, I have a condition called alopecia areata, due to which I was losing all my hair, quite literally. Third, now I could go on, but you'll get tired of listening to a long list of my complaints. Well, I can't wait to hear all of your suggestions. Try this, see a dermatologist, this and that. Well, I have tried pretty much everything, but it is all too stubborn to stop. It only gets worse. The solutions are exhausted, and all I have is to wait for a miracle to happen. Now that I have elaborately painted the portrait of my skin, you can see how perfect it is. But it was just not the acne. My confidence went low. I hated selfies. I looked at everyone around me and admired how perfect their skin is. It was obsessive and I hated myself. Gradually, it picked on my mental health. There was a point where I hated the mirror. Everything added up and I was breaking down every day. In this pursuit of perfection, I had failed to be myself. I was constantly worried about how people perceived me, whether they will like me or not, and if I would fit in. Do they see me beneath all these scars? I was so busy hiding my insecurities and fears, trying to cover them with a veil of perfection, that now I'm afraid to be real. I'm afraid that people will judge me when they know my true self. Just today, every person in this room has already judged someone, whether you realize it or not. And that is why we all worry about our appearance, because we know that almost every single person we see will judge us. It takes a moment to realize that your imperfections and your flaws are your identity, and it is what makes you unique. Then instead of hiding them, you can embrace them. Love yourself the way you are, because like nobody is perfect. As it is said, perfectionism is unattainable. No matter how hard one works or how accomplished a person might look, he or she never feels good enough for themselves. Social media is a great example of this. The perfect people with their perfect lives. Well, the truth couldn't be farther away from that. The disorders, makeups, problems, filters all hide behind those glossy profiles. And all we do is compare without really looking behind the curtains. The pursuit of perfection is an unhealthy narrative that is sold to us and has set us up to fail in front of our expectations. We cannot accept ourselves for how we are as long as we are chasing this unattainable goal. We need to pause and understand that we don't have to prove it to anyone but ourselves. Self-love is the key. It starts by working on being in love with the person that you see in the mirror. A person that has been through so much but still stands. You're beyond perfect because you're unique. While I know it is easier said than done, but believe me when I say this. Practicing self-love taught me that no matter what I was going through, if it is to go, it will go or it won't. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. My acne is not a reason to be in war with myself, and it certainly does not define me. At this point, I learned to embrace myself and finally feel comfortable and confident in my skin. Nothing mattered as I finally felt happy. If I did not find ways to love myself, I would not be here. I would still be feeling miserable in some corner of my room which is far from giving a talk. Just by doing things which make you happy is a great way of practicing self-love. Dance like no one's watching, sing in the shower, read, write, share, act crazy, laugh for no reason, talk to yourself, watch and learn and whatnot. There's so many ways in which you can give yourself the credit which it deserves. Sometimes, knowing that I have so much to be grateful about gives me no reason to complain. Your worst moments teach you things which you cannot possibly learn at your best. Remember, you are not alone. You have your friends, your family, you have me, and most importantly, you have yourself. Share what you feel. Speak up about your insecurities. Talk about what makes you vulnerable, and love is just around the corner. Love yourself, and you will see the world will start to love you. Your confidence will radiate in your personality, and people could care less about how you look. All that matters is how beautiful your soul is and not your body. Thank you.